Again, it was the first time it was started since the summer. Everything on the car is completely redone. All the suspension, the whole undercarriage, all the brakes, exhaust pipe, everything was new. They really went over it. New bearings, tie rods, everything was completely redone. Needs a couple of touch-ups because it was sitting for 40 years. Top is in, you know, it's brand new. It's dusty, but it's brand new. Been it needs to be washed. It's very dusty. It's also been inside the garage down since the summer, so it really flattens out nicely once it's open. But again, the whole car needs to be washed and waxed. It has not been washed and waxed since I brought it back on an open trailer. Again, it's very dusty. The car needs to be washed and it needs to be waxed, but it's all there. Everything okay. It's running beautifully as it usually does. It's very, very dusty. I've had the top down inside the garage, so it's dirty. The car hasn't been waxed in probably 40 years because I've never waxed it. The interior is in exceptional shape. All the door panels are new. Everything was completely redone. So is the fuel system. The entire fuel system was redone. Again, here's the door panels. Again, the car is very dirty. Unfortunately, I brought it back on an open trailer, and the day I brought it back, it rained. The car was, you know, so clean when I brought it back. Now it's covered with road dirt. But brand new battery. See the transmission and everything. There's no leaks or anything like that.